Let's go harvest the potatoes on my family's homestead. Ever since my great-grandparents homesteaded here in remote Alaska in the 1940s, they've been using this garden for potatoes. And at the end of September of every year, we harvest the crop. We harvested a few days later than we did last year. And last year we got snowed on. We didn't get any snow this year, just on the mountaintops. Also, our harvest was not fantastic. In total, I believe we got about 30 crates of potatoes. But it is what it is. My favorite part is the washing and sorting. Honestly, it's so satisfying to watch. And we were able to get things done in 2 days.